Good afternoon, class Y50. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. Let's make sure we follow our Google Meet guidelines, okay? Let's make sure our cameras are turned on. Our new attendance policy requires teachers to see students on the camera, okay? Thank you. Everyone's cameras are on. Let's make sure our microphones are on mute. Again, if you need to ask a question or if you would like to say something or contribute in any way, we know how to use the raise the hand feature. You can raise your hand or you can use it electronically, okay? Continuing our social emotional chapter of learning, we are going to be learning about the digestive system today, okay? And more importantly, we're going to be learning about how the foods that we consume or that we eat affect us, affect our moods, affect the way we perform in the classroom, while we're at work, while we're out in the community, okay? So let's dive right in. Chapter 6, the digestive system, okay? So let's first start with identifying different parts of the body, okay? The digestive system starts with our mouth. Everyone please point to your mouth. Good. It starts with our tongue. Everyone show me your tongue. Good. Next, it comes down to our throat. Everyone point to your throat. Good. Then our upper chest, which is where our esophagus is located. Point to your upper chest. Good. And lastly, the main part of our digestive system is our stomach. Okay, everybody point to your stomach. Good. Okay. Energy from food goes to your body parts. Food is moved through the body. It is broken down as it moves. Okay? First, you chew your food into little pieces. When we chew, the fancy word for chewing is called mastication. Your mouth helps to break down the food. Okay, so it all starts in our mouth. After we have masticated the food or chewed the food, our tongue pushes it down into our throat. Your throat then pushes the food into a pipe in your upper chest called your esophagus. Good. After it is passed through your esophagus, it gets pushed down into your stomach, where the food is broken down by your stomach acid, okay? The food goes into your intestines, your small and large intestines, where your body begins to take what it needs. The vitamins and minerals go into your blood. The rest will be moved out when you go to the bathroom, okay? You can keep your body healthy. You can eat foods with vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Vegetables are a good source of vitamins and minerals, okay? Fruits are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Here we have an apple, a banana, a tomato, all good sources of vitamins and minerals. And we want to make sure we have our greens, okay? It's a nice bag of fresh spinach, another good source of vitamins and minerals, okay? Another great source of protein are eggs, okay? A nice balanced breakfast should always have eggs. And lastly, let's not forget a nice source of protein is our yogurt. Okay, here's a nice balance, what a nice balanced breakfast would look like. We have eggs, a nice source of dairy, and some nice vitamins here in our banana. Okay, good. So we want to stay away from foods that have a lot of sugar or fat, like soda. Soda is okay in moderation, but try not to drink too much of it. Let's try to replace soda with water, okay? Water is the best thing we can drink. Keeps us nice and healthy and hydrated, okay? When we eat the right foods for breakfast, foods that have a lot of vitamins and minerals, these foods will keep our body very healthy, okay? It is important to consume the correct foods. When we consume the correct foods, we feel better, we look better, and we are able to perform, okay? Whether we are in the classroom, whether we are going to work, whether we are out in the community, whether like Dennis, we are helping mom at home with different chores, okay? We have to make sure we feel good. When we eat good, we look good, and we feel good, okay? Now we're gonna answer a couple of questions, okay? What type of foods does our body need? Our body need foods with what? Does our body need food with vitamins and minerals, or does our body need foods with fat and sugar? Dennis, vitamins and minerals. Very good. Thank you, sir. Question number 2. What does healthy food provide for your body? Does it provide your body with a stomach ache, or does it provide your body with a lot of energy? Peter Vario. Very good. Thank you for raising your hand. Good. Energy. My man. Question number 3. Where does your food get broken down? Does it get broken down in your arms, or does it get broken down in our stomach? Mr. Suriel, in our stomach. Very good. And lastly, what is important to know about this chapter? Remember, what did we talk about? What do I have here, guys? Eyes on the screen. Good. I have all different kinds of what? What is important to know about this chapter? Do we want to skip breakfast? Or should we be eating the right foods to keep our body healthy? Mr. Lin, thank you for raising your hand. Use your device. Good. We want to eat the right foods that keep our body healthy. Excellent job. Okay? Now, this chapter is important because in times like these, it's very important to be self-aware. Okay? We have to make conscious decisions, and we have to want to be healthy. Okay? We all know we want to go for the chocolate and the chips and the soda, foods we all know and love. Those are not going to help you feel good. Okay? We want to replace soda with water. We want to replace chips with fruit. Bananas, apples, my favorite fruits. For lunch, instead of the cheeseburger and the pizza, let's try some fruits and some vegetables. Okay? Very, very important. Good job today, everyone. Thank you for tuning in and following the Google Meet guidelines very well, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Thank you.